Hello 7th standard students. We are discussing about the exponents and powers, the worksheet 5. Now coming to the question number 2. By what number should we multiply 2 to the power minus 5 so that the product may be equal to 2 to the power minus 1? By what number should we multiply 2 to the power minus 5 to get the product 2 to the power minus 1. So, by what number should we multiply 2 to the power minus 5 to get the product 2 to the power minus 1? In example, we have seen to get the second number in multiplication. So, it is 2 3s are 6. To get 3, what you are going to do? 3 is equal to 6 divided by 2. Isn't it? Product divided by the first number. Okay, now x is equal to the third number. What is it? The product 2 to the power minus 1 divided by the first number, that is 2 to the power minus 5. Okay, it will be how much? The bases are same, the powers are different. See, you can do, उसको नेगेटिव को पावर है उसको रेसिप्रोकल बना के वो भी कर सकते हैं. Now this is bases are same, so subtract the powers. So 2 to the power minus 1 डिविजन है, मतलब subtract the powers, और सेकेंड का पावर क्या है? minus 5. So that became how much? 2 to the power minus 1. Minus of minus became plus 5. Now 2 to the power minus 1 plus 5 is 4. So 2 to the power 4. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So x is equal to 16. Okay. Now coming to the third question, it is by what number? Same. Minus 1 by 5, the whole raised to minus 1 be multiplied. See, both are multiplied. So, by what number? Minus 1 by 5, the whole raised to minus 1 be multiplied so that the product is 1 by 5, the whole raised to minus 3. अभी सेकेंड नंबर चाहिए तो क्या करने को हम बोले थे? x is equal to 1 by 5, the whole raised to minus 3, isn't it? Divided by minus 1 by 5, the whole raised to minus 1. है ना, इधर भी वैसे ही किए, थर्ड नंबर डिवाइड बाय द फर्स्ट नंबर. अभी ये minus 5 the whole raised to minus 3, ये क्या बनता है? minus 5 to the power 3 divided by, ये क्या बना? minus 5, isn't it? minus 5 the whole raised to 1. अभी 5 क्यूब कितना आया? 5 क्यूब इज 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125 divided by minus 5. So that became plus minus minus 5, 125 divided by 5. 5 1s are, 5 2s are, 2 remains, 5s are, minus 25. So x is equal to minus 25. Understood everyone? So 1/5 द होल रेज टू -3, वो बनेगा 5 to the power 3 डिवाइडेड बाय -1/5 the whole raised to -1, it became -5, है ना। पॉजिटिव करने के वक्त ये रेसिप्रोकल, तो फिर वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करो डिवाइड करने का, डायरेक्ट ऐसे ही करो क्योंकि बेसेस आर हैविंग द डिफरेंट साइंस, सो उसको पॉजिटिव करने को जाएंगे थोड़ा तकलीफ है वो वाला स्टेप, तो इसके लिए डायरेक्टली वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करके करने का। नाउ कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट, the two sums were on a multiplication. Now coming to division. By what number should 24 the whole raised to -1 be divided to get the quotient 4 raised to -1? By what number should 24 raised to -1 be divided so that the quotient is equal to 4 raised to -1? तो एग्जाम्पल में समझाई थी मैं, 24 डिवाइडेड बाय, इधर 4 है, यही नंबर मैं ले गई हूँ, ठीक है। 24 डिवाइड बाय हाउ मच इज 4, 4 6 24, तो ये कैसे मिला 6 इज इक्वल टू 24 डिवाइड बाय 4, है ना। 6 इज इक्वल टू 24 डिवाइड बाय 4। तो इसके लिए x के लिए क्या किए, फर्स्ट नंबर दैट इज 24 द होल रेज टू -1 डिवाइडेड बाय द लास्ट वन, इट इज 4 रेज टू -1। समझ में आ गए। सेकेंड नंबर मिलने के लिए फर्स्ट नंबर डिवाइडेड बाय द थर्ड नंबर। रिमेंबर इन डिविजन first number is the bigger one, that is the DD, isn't it? This one is bigger, then this is DD, DI and the quotient. Okay, now इसको solve करो। So 24 to the power -1 can be written as 1/24 divided by 4 to the raised to -1 becomes 1/4. So 1/24, division sign becomes multiplication and this becomes 4/1. 4 ones are 4 6 are, so it became 1/6. So x is equal to 1/6. Okay. Now the similar sum, by what number should -2/3 the whole raised to 3 must be divided so that the quotient is equal to 9/4 the whole raised to -2. -2/3 the whole raised to 3 divided by x is equal to 9/4 the whole raised to -2. So like here only x is equal to, what we have to do, the first number that is -2/3 the whole raised to 3 divided by 9/4 the whole raised to -2. And now we will make this positive, -2/3 the whole raised to 3 divided by negative power, make it positive, for that 4/9 the whole raised to 2. Okay, now 4/9 can be written as 2 squared upon 3 squared, so 2/3 आएगा, है ना। अभी इधर हम क्या करेंगे, ये क्यूब है, इसके लिए ये माइनस का आंसर माइनस ही रहेगा, है ना। द ऑड नंबर, नेगेटिव का ऑड नंबर पावर है तो it will be negative only. So take minus outside and write 2 by 3 the whole raised to 3. And this one you write it as 2 by 3 the whole squared, isn't it? 2 squared, 3 squared. That is why 2 by 3 the whole squared, or ye square, the whole raised to 2. See what we have done? 4 by 9 is written as 2 by 3 the whole square. Okay, now this one will be minus 2 by 3 the whole cube divide by, ये multiply है तो 2 by 3, 2 2s are 4. अभी क्या बना? बेसेस सेम है तो ये माइनस बाहर ही रहेगा. 2 by 3 इन लोगों को ले लो. 3 डिवाइड मतलब सब्ट्रैक्ट द पावर्स. सो ये बनता है माइनस 2 by 3 द होल, सॉरी माइनस बाहर है, माइनस 2 by 3 द होल रेज टू माइनस 1. अभी माइनस 1 है तो क्या करेंगे आंसर? रेसिप्रोकल. सो ये माइनस और ये बनेगा 3 by 2. फाइनल आंसर इज x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 3 by 2. तो इधर क्या किए हम? बेसेस सेम नहीं है और एक में नेगेटिव है एक में पॉजिटिव है. तो पहला स्टेप आपको मालूम पड़ा, x इज इक्वल टू फर्स्ट नंबर डिवाइड बाय द थर्ड नंबर. वो इक्वेशन लिख के ले लो. फिर माइनस 2 by 3 द होल क्यूब. ना नेगेटिव पावर को पॉजिटिव करने के लिए 9 by 4 बनता है, 4 by 9 स्क्वायर. अभी ये नेगेटिव को बाहर ले लो और 2 by 3 द होल क्यूब डिवाइड बाय 4 by 9 को लिखने का 2 by 3 the whole square. Why? 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9. Or the whole raised to this 2. तो अभी से इसमें फर्स्ट का जैसा है वैसे ही लिखेंगे. इधर मल्टीप्लाई होगा, ब्रैकेट है इसके लिए 2 2s are 4. अभी नेगेटिव बाहर रहेगा 2 by 3. उसको डिवाइड करने के वक्त द पावर शुड बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड. So you got 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So write the reciprocal. Okay. That was about the question number 5. Now coming to the question number 6. Find the value of x. So that, okay. अभी इधर बेसेस सब सेम है तो LHS RHS. सो LHS में क्या क्या दिया है? 3 by 4 द होल रेज टू. बीच में मल्टीप्लिकेशन है तो क्या करने का? ऐड द पावर्स. माइनस 9 प्लस माइनस 7 इज इक्वल टू 3 by 4 द होल रेज टू 4x. अभी ये बना 3 by 4 द होल रेज टू माइनस 9 माइनस 7 सेम साइन है, ऐड करो तो आया माइनस 16 इज इक्वल टू 3 by 4 द होल रेज टू 4x. अभी LHS RHS बेस सेम हो गया तो क्या करने का है? When bases are same, the powers are इक्वल. है ना, याद है? ये लास्ट ईयर भी था. तो ये बनेगा माइनस 16 इज इक्वल टू 4x. है ना? तो इधर से मैं इधर कंटिन्यू कर रही हूँ. सो x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 16. 4 इस तरफ आने के वक्त डिविजन. 4 1s are 4 4s are. x इज इक्वल टू minus 4. Okay. Now coming to the second. ये easy है. base 2 by 9, 2 by 9, 2 by 9. First you have to see the base and in between multiplication sign. Okay, LHS 2 by 9 the whole raised to minus 6. Multiplication है तो add the powers. Right side 2 by 9 the whole raised to 2x minus 1. तो अभी LHS में आया 2 by 9 the whole raised to minus 6 plus 3 becomes minus 3. Minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3 is equal to 2 by 9 the whole raised to 2x minus 1. Now bases are same, LHS, RHS. Now we have to write when the bases are same. We equate the powers भी लिख सकते हैं, नहीं तो the powers are equal. Next step, what is it? Minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 1. So 2x, keep it here. Minus 3 minus 1, when you bring it here, it will be plus 1. So here it is minus 2 is equal to 2x. X is equal to minus 2 upon 2. 2 gets cancelled, that is 1. So answer is x is equal to, sign is minus. X is equal to minus 1. इसके बाद linear equation, isn't it? So hope everyone is understanding. Okay, that was question number 2. Sixth question, second subdivision. Now coming to the third subdivision. 5 by 7, 5 by 7, 5 by 7. The bases are same. Now 5 by 7, in between it is division. So subtract the powers. So 2, now you should be careful, minus bracket open 3x plus 1. Okay, 2 minus within the bracket 3x plus 1 is equal to 5 by 7 the whole power 4. So 5 by 7, now 2 minus, open the bracket, minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 5 by 7 the whole raised to 4. 5 by 7 the whole raised to 2 minus 1 is 1 minus 3x is equal to 5 by 7 the whole raised to 4. Now we have to solve, isn't it? So we will be writing when the bases are same, equate the powers. So it will be 1 minus 3x is equal to 4, minus 3x is equal to 4. 1, when you take it to the right side, it becomes minus 1. It became minus 3x is equal to 4 minus 1 is 3. X is equal to 3 upon minus 3, isn't it? So it became minus 1. So answer is x is equal to minus 1. Is it clear? Now coming to the fourth sum. It is minus 6 by 11, minus 6 by 11, minus 6 by 11. But here brackets are there, first solve it. So minus 6 by 11 the whole raised to x divided by minus 6 by 11 the whole raised to minus 2 minus 1 when you multiply. See, now directly we can do, it is multiplication, minus minus plus 2 ones are 2 is equal to minus 6 by 11 the whole raised to 2 into minus 3 will be minus 6. I am not writing that step. Hope everyone is understanding. Okay, now it is a only division and everything is clear. So minus 6 by 11 the whole raised to division. So what we are going to do? Subtract the powers. समझ में आ गया है ना? तो अभी इधर सॉल्व करके हो गया तो डायरेक्ट आप लोगों को डिवीजन का, डिवीजन मतलब पावर्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. और माइनस 6 by 11 the whole raised to minus 6. Okay, now what we have to do? When the bases are same. अभी final stage हो गया. So when the bases are same, we equate the powers. We equate the powers. So what we'll write? X minus 2 is equal to, power कितना है? minus 6 इधर. So x is equal to minus 6 minus 2. When you take it to the right side, it becomes plus 2. So x is equal to minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. So x is equal to minus 4. That is the answer. So I hope everyone understood till here. The question number 6th 4. So we have completed the question number 6 of worksheet 5. Okay. Bye. Thank you. Take care.